Today's video is on Betway, and for those people who do not know what Betway is, then Betway is an online betting site where you guys can bet on sport. For example, let's say there's a Barcelona match tomorrow, then basically you guys can bet whether Barcelona is gonna win or they're gonna lose on Betway Sports, and according to that, you guys are gonna get your winning prize money. So that's the basic definition of it. But if you guys want to know more about it, you can just go to their website to know more about it. Because today's video is on how you guys can log in into Betway. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps on how you guys can log in into Betway, you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Betway login. After you search for Betway login, you want to click on the first, option over here where it says login/Betway. You want to click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you to Betway's login page. Once you're over here, you need to enter your username and your password of your Betway account and click on login. After you do that, basically you should be able to log in into your Betway account. And for some reason, if you guys were not able to log in into Betway, then basically your username or your password is incorrect. So you need to double check if your username and password is correct and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your account. And for some reason, if you forgot your password, there's this forgot password option over here. You can click on it to recover your account. So these are the way on how you guys can log in into Betway. So hope you guys were able to understand.